colorful, simple, and used worldwide. But have you ever wondered how colored pencils are made? It all starts with pigments, clay, and wax mixed together to form the pencil's core, the colored lead. This mixture is pressed into thin sticks, carefully dried, and hardened to become durable writing cores. Next comes the wood, usually cedar or linden. Thin slats are cut and grooved to hold the colored leads. The colored cores are laid into the grooves. Then another slat is glued on top, forming a wooden sandwich. This block is sliced into individual pencils, shaped into hexagonal, round, or triangular designs. Each pencil is polished, painted, and capped with color before receiving the brand's finishing touch. Every pencil is tested for smoothness and strength, ensuring it won't break too easily. Finally, the pencils are sorted, packed into colorful sets, and shipped all around the world. From raw pigments to the artist's hand, that's how colored pencils are crafted. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes of everyday objects.